Action verbs with sentences. Run. She runs every morning in the park. Jump. The kids jump joyfully on the trampoline. Walk. I walk to school every day. Talk. He talks to his friends after class. Eat. They eat dinner together every night. Drink. I drink water to stay hydrated. Read. She reads a book before bed. Write. He writes in his journal every evening. Listen. We listen to music while studying. Sing. She sings beautifully in the choir. Dance. They dance happily at the party. Play. The dog plays with his new toy. Draw. He draws pictures in his sketchbook. Paint. She paints landscapes on canvas. Cook. I cook pasta for dinner tonight. Bake. They bake cookies every Saturday. Watch. We watch movies on Fridays. Clean. I clean my room every week. Washington. She washes the dishes after dinner. Shop. He shops for groceries on Sunday. Travel. They travel to new countries every summer. Study. I study for my exams after school. Teach. She teaches English to children. Help. He helps his younger brother with homework. Visit. We visit our grandparents on holidays. Action verbs with sentences.